Hey, it's Sassy Angie back with Sassy Sisters Crafting, and today I'm going to be working on some fabric keychains. These are the 4 designs I have been working on. But today we are just going to work on the little chickens. So first you cut a 3x10 piece of fabric and a 3x10 fusible interfacing. And you just put the two together and make sure the fabric covers all the interfacing, so that way it doesn't get anywhere. And so this one, I have some sticking up here, and it's all the way down at the bottom. So I will just cut some of that off. It's better to be too short than too long. Okay. So you just line it up, make sure none of the white interfacing is showing, and then you just iron it on. And when you're done, the interfacing should be stuck to the fabric. So then you take, I can't zoom in, okay. So then you take a little of each side and you fold it up, and then you iron that. And this is the other side of the interfacing, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you take the other side, you fold it in a little bit and iron it. Okay, and then you fold it in half. So you make sure to keep both sides folded down and then fold it in half. So then you iron that. So if you don't like ironing, this probably isn't the project for you. Blah, blah, blah. Can't talk right now, apparently. Okay. So I'm just going to turn this off because I have to put it down to the side. Don't want any of the animals to get burnt. Okay. So then I bring my machine out. My machine was given to me by the grandma that Sassy Amanda talks about in her quilt videos. So I just take, I'm going to do it this way. Okay, so I just take it. So I take it and I put the two together. And then I put one of these on. Little clips hold it in place. Makes it a lot easier when I'm sewing it. Okay. So then I take it and I just sew. So I just sew right in on the inside. I'll show you when I'm done. Wish I had one of those sewing machines that automatically cuts it. So I cut the thread off. From both ends. So if you can see, it's not very far in. And now I will go and do it on this side, which is just folded, but it makes it look nice. So then I cut the ends off again. So then you can see, I don't know how well you can see it, sewn on both sides, so you can kind of see it right there and right there. So it's sewn on both sides. So then it's pretty much almost done. Then just like my faux leather, let me move this out of the way. So just like my faux leather ones, you take it and you'll put one of these on it. On my little tool bucket. Okay, so you put it in. And then you fold this in half. You stick it in. And you squeeze. And there you go. You have a fabric key fob. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments and join me next time, or you can watch one of Sassy Amanda's videos. Again, I'm Sassy Angie, And this is Sassy Sisters Crafting. Have a good day.